The Larson Electronics flashing LED strobe light with adjustable locking magnetic base is battery powered and provides up to 120 hours of operation on a single set of 4 AA batteries. This LED beacon is 100% portable, has an adjustable magnetic base, and provides a highly effective alternative to beacons that require wiring and special permanent mounting. The light has 2 strobing options and steady on. This compact LED beacon contains an 18 LED lamp assembly that produces a brilliant signal visible for extended distances. The magnetic base includes an adjustable sliding hinge that allows the lamp to be adjusted from full vertical to almost full horizontal positioning. This LED beacon is durable and resistant to shocks and vibrations. Check out our other strobe lights. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.